How to change PIN on Zengo wallet. Are you guys facing issue to change your PIN on Zengo wallet? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. To update your Zengo app PIN, first of all, open Zengo app and log in into your account using a Face ID, fingerprint, or current PIN. Once you get logged in, tap on the profile icon or just simply tap on security, which is usually located at the right bottom of your screen. Just simply tap on security. Navigate to security or backup. Find the option labeled as app pin or change device log. Type it. Enter your current pin, then type in your new 4 or 6 digit pin and confirm it. Make sure it's a strong code that no one can guess. Once confirmed, Zengo will apply it instantly. This pin protects your app access and secure all the transaction and wallet actions. Because Zengo's security model relies on device-level lock for access and transactions. Updating a PIN here ensures your wallet remains protected from unauthorized use. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out other videos in this channel for full guidance. Bye bye.